Hey friends, today we're checking out the Mr. Coffee coffee press. So here's a little unboxing we're doing here. Picked this up at discount store. Normal $20, $10 was what I paid. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. So inside we have some cardboard, bubble wrap, and voila. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, so that is the deal. Looks well constructed. Let me see if there's anything else in the box. No, more cardboard. Okay, so looks like it's stainless steel, and I can't tell. I think it's glass. Feels like glass. Okay. Alright, inside we have a little scoop. This apparently presses down. Never used a coffee press before. I've seen it done before, and I thought it was pretty neat to be able to make a little bit of coffee in a short amount of time. I'll say it says glass is breakable, so this is glass. And looks like a stainless steel outside. Appears to be well constructed. I'm going to go wash this up and make some coffee. We'll do a review. Thanks for watching the unboxing, my friends.